this is Nisha. I welcome you all to the Amalo Tarot. Today's Pika card reading it. What will be your next 72 hours? What will be the overall energy for the next 72 hours? So, in this Pika card reading, I have given you 3 options. First card is the Sun. I give you close up. Second, Wheel of Fortune. Third is 4 of Wands. So, please choose intuitively. I'll meet you at your reading. So, first we will start with the for people who have chosen the Sun card. So let's see by Sacred Indian Tarot deck what can be the overall energy for the next 72 hours. Let's see. So we will see what the cards you have got. So what you have got is, first is Hierophant, second Death, third Justice, fourth the Tower in reverse. So this Hierophant card is telling me that you are in path of the spiritual alignment. You people are manifesting or already knows the law of attraction technique. See, you can see all the chakras are activated for this person. So definitely you are on the path of spiritual alignment. This Death card is suggesting me that so whatever the bad situation you were dealing with, it has ended, or if it's not, it will come to an end very soon. The Justice card. So previously in the past you haven't got justice. So now, so people will recognize your work, people will recognize your worth, you will get a justice. And the Tower in reverse suggesting me that so you will build a strong foundation for your future. So this is what I have from the tarot. We will also see the angel messages for you. So let's see what angels want to say to you. Oh, okay. I'll also take this card. So let's see what cards you have got, what angels want to say to you, what are their messages. First, you are ready. So yeah, from this also it is telling me that the Tower in reverse suggesting me that you are ready to build a strong foundation for your future. So angels are telling you are ready. Whatever path you are walking on, you are ready to achieve it, ready to achieve your success, ready to test the fruit of your efforts. Second card is, it's up to you. So the angels are telling it you are already ready. It's up to you which path to choose. You have already done your inner work. Then is let go. So let go is suggesting me that let go of fears, doubt, anxiety. You are ready. It's up to you. Let go of fear, doubt, anxiety, or the bad situation. It's up to you. You can build your own future. You are already in alignment with the universe. Be assertive. So whatever the path you are choosing, or in the situation you are, so be assertive. Talk your problems, or you can take a help from someone who is close to you, from friends, for family. You are ready in whatever you are achieving, your goal, career. You are ready, and it's up to you what to choose and what to not. And this card is letting me let go of all your fears, doubt, and anxiety. You are ready to build a strong foundation. The Tower card in reverse suggesting me that you are ready to build a strong foundation of your future. Be assertive. Talk. Take help. So this is all I have for you today. This is a very good reading I have got. You people are already spiritually aligned and ready to take the world, and you're on a path of spiritual enlightenment also. Thank you for visiting in my channel. Hello. We will move towards card number 2. People who have chosen this card, Wheel of Fortune. So let's see what can be the overall energy for the next 72 hours, and we'll also look at the angel guidance. First we look at the Sacred Indian Tarot. What can be the overall energy for the next 72 hours. So this card I got. Let's see. I'll pull out 2-3 cards. Okay. I need another 2. One has pop-up. This also has pop-up. I'll take this. Let's see what cards you have got. First card you have got is Empress. Okay. Second, High Priestess in reverse. Hermit in reverse. Temperance. And the Emperor in reverse. So the first card we have got is Empress. Empress is suggesting me that you are already content, you are waiting for a specific person. And the Emperor card is suggesting me that you have already a lot of options, but still you are waiting for some specific person. You are listening to your intuition, you're working on yourself, your divine and masculine feminine energy is balanced, and you are waiting for your Emperor to come. So it's like divine feminine is waiting for her divine masculine, and you're content. So you can see her eyes are closed, right? Suggesting me that you're already part of spiritual alignment, or you're manifesting for this Emperor, your Emperor. Now you're in separation with, and you're waiting for the specific person to come to in your life. Although you have many options, but you're waiting for the specific person. You're already content, and you know that this person will come towards you. You are manifesting for your divine masculine. So that's can I see from here. So we'll also see for the angel guidance what angel want to say to you. So I think you people are already using the law of attraction technique. Let's see what angel want to say to you. Success. So definitely you will get a success. Wherever whatever you are manifesting, you will get a success in it. See, from the angel guidance you got success. Second card you have got is peaceful resolution. So resolution will come. Peaceful resolution is there. Third is meditation brings answer. So you're already meditating, or you're already manifesting, or you need to meditate, and you will get an answer within yourself. You need to listen to your intuition. Universe will guide you, angels will guide you. Improving health. So who are suffering from any physical ailments, so they will say improvement in the health. And fourth card is called you are ready. So you are ready to achieve wherever you are working on, or ready to test deeds, or what can I say, the fruits of your efforts. So all I can say is that you are already content, you are already doing the law of attraction technique or law of manifestation technique, and you are waiting for something to happen, and the universe is telling you you are ready. Please meditate. Meditation will bring answer to you. If there is any doubt or anxiety or fears, meditation will bring the answer to you, and you are ready. You are already done your inner work. You are already done your inner work. And for the people who are suffering from any ailments or disease, there's like your health will improve. So this is all I have for you today. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you. Option number 3, who has chosen this 4 of Wands card. We will see what can be your energy for the next 72 hours. We will look by first the Sacred Indian Tarot. What can be the overall energy for you for the next 72 hours? Let's see. And we will also look at the angel guidance. Okay, this card is pop up. I will take this. Let's see. Okay, let's see what cards you have got. First you have got the Emperor, second the Moon, third the Wheel of Fortune, and the Magician. The Emperor's card, see, you can see where is the Emperor is looking towards this Moon card, right? So Emperor in your life, or the divine masculine in your life, divine feminine or divine masculine, you can take whatever resonates with you. So he or she is looking here, right? So he or she is not giving you clarity. This can be about a commitment issue, or your relationship, or you are waiting for this person. You are already in communication with this person, but this person is not giving you any clarity regarding this relationship, or regarding the future, or regarding marriage. So you are not getting any clarity from this person. He is, I can say, overall deceptive. He is not expressing his true feelings. And the Wheel of Fortune you have got, and you can see this Magician. This lady is looking here to Wheel of Fortune to turn in her favor, so that this Emperor or this divine masculine will give her a clarity and will give her a commitment. So this can be your overall energy. So you are waiting for this person to come, and this Wheel of Fortune means the cycle. You are waiting for this separation cycle or this lack of clarity cycle to end, and you are waiting for the light to come in your relationship or in your career. You are waiting. So this person is not giving you any clarity regarding situation, what's in his or her mind. So you are not getting any clarity. The things are not clear. You are already working on it. The Magician is like you can get whatever you want. You are waiting for the to turn this wheel in your favor, but still there is a lack of clarity. So this is we got from tarot. We will also see the angel guidance for you. Angel guidance for you. Let's see what angel want to say to you. Let's see what angels want to say to you. What angels want to say. Okay. I'll pull out the. Okay. This card has also come. I'll take this. First card you got is big happy changes. Oh, this wheel of fortune will turn in your favor. This emperor or this person you are dealing with will give you a clarity. Although there is deception now, but this person will give you a clarity. You will be clear what this person wants from you or want from this connection. So big happy changes are bound to come. So angels are telling you that big happy changes are bound to come. Second card you got is reconsider. So for some group of people, they are telling that reconsider. Do you want this person to be back in your life? This can be your ex, or you really want this. You're already manifesting, but they are saying reconsider your choice. Reconsider. Think carefully. Think carefully. Meditate. Listen to your intuition. This card is telling me, please reconsider. This for some less group of people or little group of people. Third card you got is if you believe. So if you believe, this big happy changes will come to you, and this wheel of fortune will turn you in your favor. You will get what you are seeking for. So this is all I have for you today. This can be the overall energy for the next 72 hours. Thank you for visiting my channel. Thank you.